AC Power and Comfort. We're doing a quarterly PM service. Wanted to share this video with property managers and building owners in regards to if you're looking for a quarterly PM service on your commercial building. This is a basic PM service that what we do out here on a commercial building. As you can see, first, this is very basic again. What we do is we do a visual inspection, making sure that there's no oil leaks of any kind on the coil itself, on the actual ports here, on the pressures, anything that we see that could be a potential leak or oil, we basically address it. That's part of a visual inspection. Visual also entails checking control wiring here on our contactors, our microprocessor, our terminal board here for our incoming power. We just pull on wires, make sure that everything is pretty tight, because with a tight connection, things work properly. Moving over here on the blower compartment, we check the belts, make sure that the belts have no crack. They are tight, they're not loose, and if they are loose, we check to see if they are cracked, and then if they are cracked, we change them out, because sometimes a loose belt could be a potential for a cracked belt as well. But as right now, this is a tight belt. I just tightened it. It also entails servicing of the drain in a quarterly PM service. The drain is clean. We also add a time release pad inside there for the drain. This is good up to like 3 months or something quarterly. So the time release pad normally gets changed on a quarterly basis. We will be sanitizing coils. Entering and leaving side of the coil, we'll be adding new filters. With a basic PM service, there is no pleated filters. It is just your standard throwaway cardboard filters, as you can see over there. Those are your standard filters on a basic PM service. Basically, I went pretty much quick over it. We'll be checking pressures if pressures are needed to be checked. If we have a supply air reaching of 55 to 54 or 52 based on the set point that is provided, there's really no need to be checking pressures on the equipment. If we do see something out of the norm in a basic PM, that's when we apply the checking of the refrigerant. But anyways, moving forward, this is Omar with the AC Power and Comfort. This is a PM quarterly service. If you're looking for a PM contract, please don't hesitate to visit my website or call AC Power. My phone number is on my website, www.acpowercomfort.com. Again, that's www.acpowercomfort.com. Thank you for viewing.